Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today's video topic is if the Microsoft Store is not working on Windows 10 or Windows 11, or you are not able to install or download applications from Microsoft Store, or you are getting any kind of error, or the Microsoft Store is not opening or not working. In this video I will share some methods you can apply to fix this. So let's start. First you have to cross-check your date and time. Make sure the date and time is correct in your system. This is your first step. After that, check your storage. So make sure you have free space in your C drive. Okay, this is your step 2. Check the space in your C drive. After that, check Microsoft Store services. So for this, click on Windows icon. Then click on this search box and type service. Click on this services app. So these are the Windows services you have in your system. Now you have to search for a service, Microsoft service, Microsoft Store service. So this is the service we need, Microsoft Store install service. So right click on this service, then click on properties. After that, in the startup type, select automatic. Make sure the option is selected as automatic. Then click on apply. After that, run this service. So click on start to run this service. That's it. Click on OK. One more thing you can do is restart this service again. So right click on it. Then click on restart. So this will restart this service. Okay. After that, cut this window and check. In the most cases, this will fix your issue. Now move on to the next step. If you are still getting the same issue, reset Microsoft Store cache. For this, open command prompt. So click on Windows icon, then click on search box and type cmd. Then right click on command prompt, right click on it, then click on run as administrator. And you will see this kind of black window. Now you have to type a command ws reset.exe. So this will clear Microsoft Store cache. Press enter. Wait for a few seconds. So the process has been completed. Now cut this window and this will fix the error. Now move on to the final step you can try. Reset Microsoft Store application. So for this, click on Windows icon, then go to this settings option. On the left side, click on this option apps. After that, on the right side, click on this option app and feature. Now here you can see the app list. Search for Microsoft Store. This one. Now click on these 3 dots, then click on advanced option. Scroll down. First click on terminate. Okay, after that click on repair. So this will repair a Microsoft Store. That's it. Now check. But if you are still getting the same issue, you can apply the final method, the final step, reset Microsoft Store. Click on it. So this will reset the Microsoft Store application. Click on reset. That's it. Now cut this window and restart your system, and this will fix the error related with Microsoft Store. This is all for the video. Thank you.